Here we go! Sumakay pa kayo!
Hello!
Hello.
Kinakamusta lang naman ang malabanan yung ring. Nagpapakilala siya.
Kilala no?
Baka mamayang konti, gawin na naman niya.
Ito, si Ariel Campos from Makati, 22 years old. Ang kanyang unang free throw ay sumablay. Tabla score natin 21-all as we take a look at Coach Boy De Vera. Worried look.
Both coaches. Sidelines bar working their teams out.
1 out of 2 for Campos. Lamang ulit ang JRC. Precarious 1-point lead. 22-21. 8.5 minutes remaining sa ating first half. Si Magyalak papasa sana dito kay Manalo but trying to be too fancy. De La Rhea breaks up the play. And sideline inbound para din sa panic ng UPHR. Trailing by only a point. 21-22. Malabanan. Bibigay kay Bonifacio. Nice cut by Ibrahim, giving Perpetual Health the lead, 23-22. At ito yung sinasabi natin, pag nag-settle down, yung half-court itong Perpetual. Ito naman, sa pagmamadali ng JRC, mawawala dito kay Naning Pondulan yung bola. Turnover para sa UPHR with 8 minutes and 5 seconds left. Lamang ng Perpetual Health, 23-22. We have a timeout. Babalik kami. Coliseum, third play date ito ng 76th season ng National Collegiate Athletic Association. Nung Martes, 4 na junior division games ang inilaro. Ang ligang ito ay nagbukas ng Sabado sa Coliseum. Ito lamang ng Perpetual lang. Tatlo. Suddenly, Manyalak, turnaround jumper, 25-22. Trouble na itong Jose Rizal dahil sabi siya pag napagod ito mahirap na another error. Camilla saves the leather. De La Rhea lalabas kay Pondulan, idadrive, hindi, idadrop dito kay Campos. Campos misses at wala nang rebound doon. Pagkakataon naman itong Perpetual na mag-pass break at yung pasa nitong si Malabanan kay Manyalak masyadong mataas pero medyo covered din
and you can't blame Malabanan. He saw an open teammate. As a coach, you want that, gusto mo na mamasa. He could have bounced past
yun,
kasi iba talaga on the break. Yun yung tinuturo ko sa mga bata ko. Nice to give a nice bounce pass dahil nakukuha ng big man mo. Hindi malakas kagaya ng chest pass na mahirap kunin,
tama yun. Dapat bounce pass ang binigay doon. Bonifacio. Ibrahim to the corner. Dito kay Manalo. Another 3-point attempt. Sablayan. Pass to rebound. Malabanan. Put back Sablay. Another put back sa Sablay. And Malabanan mabibigyan ng dalawang free throws. Nakita ba yung dominance itong Perpetual ngayon sa rebound with Malabanan and Manyalak. The shaded area. Itong si Manalo had all the confidence to take the 3-point attempt because Malabanan was there. Here's the first putback na kinapos. Isa na naman at nakakuha na siya ng foul doon.
Bar, doon nakikita mo, the yellow shirts medyo napapagod na. Nung pumukol sa tres, si Manalo, walang nag-box out sa yellow shirts. At alam natin, the likes of Malabanan, Manalak, you have to box them out. Not only are they big and tall, may leaping ability mga yan. So, let's see if JRC can keep up. 5 lamang ng UPHR right now.
27-22. Alam mo kasi maliliit itong JRC. So, pag maliit ka, you spend more effort jumping,
not only
bigger guys.
Medyo hindi pa napapahinga ni Boy De Vera mga players na.
Dahil ito, montik na maagaw si De La Rhea, but ito, sa kanyang tayo. Kala natin, papasok pa yun
Inago, partner. Ito yung nakakaliw. Kumbaga, tinan mo ito si Mila. And ito yung mahirap doon dahil tinatago pa
yung bola Tsaka lang inilabas
Pare, baka sa write-up natin bukas, baka lumabas yung picture perfect na moment dyan
Maraming nag-flash
dami nag-flash
camera dyan Itong si Mila being very creative dun sa kanyang tirang yan. He's given 2 free throws. Una niyang free throw ay pumasok. 27-23 ang ating score. It's a 4-point lead for the Altas. Isa pang free throw dito kay Rodel Villa. Second free throw is also in. 2 for 2 for Rodel Villa. 3-point lead for the Altas. 27-24. Tama yung sinabi mo kanina, Luigi. Medyo napapagod na itong panik ng Jose Rizal. Guys like Pondulan and De La Rhea, hindi pa nagpapahinga yan They started for this team. Hanggang ngayon, nandyan sila. Pero ganun pa rin ang intensity no? Makikita mo, kaya lang hindi na hinapol ni De La Rey
Medyo pagod
press
na.
pa ito. Na-dive siya para dun no?
Ginakapos ng konti. But you have to give it to them. But, here you can see assist, no? Perpetual help, moving the ball more against the zone with 9 assists. JRC, reason why not too many assists, they're attacking the hole. Pag swing yung bola, ina-atake nila yung man-to-man defense ng Perpetual help.
Tama, pumapasok naman kahit hindi pinasa no? Usually, solo no?
Oo.
Ito, inside pass dito kay Manyalak. He misses at meron tayo ditong matatawag na foul kay Malabanan. Opposition by Gregorio. Nathaniel Gregorio. Itong si Gregorio last year natatandaan ko pagkasama ko si Noel Zarate dito sa coverage ng NCAA. Sasabihin niya, player ko yan sa Pasig dati. Ako nagturo dyan Sabi ko, buti na lang may natutunan sa'yo. Pero speaking of itong si Noel Zarate, binabati natin to. Congratulations bagong tatay. Nanganak yung kanyang asawang si Rara kahapon. 7.4 pounds. Baby girl.
Malaki yun.
Malaki.
7.4.
In about 16 years from now, yung ating women's team sa basketball, meron na
ready na.
Zarate na player. Meron si Gregorio, he misses the first free throw. 3 puntos pa rin ang kalamangan ito UPHR. 27-24 at Coach Bike, ang ganda naman ng shot na yun.
Dalawang
coaches
Dalawa.
Ibang klase no? 1 out of 2 for Gregorio. Dalawa na lang ang kalamangan ng UPHR. 27-25. Ito mo talagang nasa foreground. Ito si Bike Cristobal, very emphatic sa kanyang instructions sa kanyang player. Ito na naman ang pass break ng JRC. Direction Manning, Epundulan, pinalampas muna. Sige, mauna ka na. Habol na lang ako, pero isusut ko muna to.
Tingnan mo naman yung tapek, Tapek kay Epundulan. Grabe itong jersey na to. Talaga yung tinatawag na nag-aamuyan
Another error. Sa Manning nito. Napakababa naman ang pasa. Tignan natin ito. Kita, tapik lang no?
That's what you call smarts, partner.
Yan, Epundulan, alam niyang nando si aming mauna ka na. Sinabi ko naman sa'yo, hintayin mo lang ako mamaya. Ito UPHR, controls the leather. Ito si Bonifacio. Sabi, dahan-dahanin natin to Medyo nararapol. Nararapol tayo.
Medyo kailangan dyan konting pasensyoso. Ito na naman JRC, Bar, tumatakbo.
Nice assist dito kay Epundulan. Suddenly, lamang na ang JRC. 29-27 yung 5-point lead ng Perpetual. Wiped out. Bar,
nakita natin assist 9-5 sabi ng JRC. Teka muna.
Habol kami.
Habol muna kami. 2 assists from Mila, to Epundulan.
Another 3-point attempt ni Manalo and he misses. At etong si Gregorio will grab the rebound. Nakakakuha pa ng foul at nasa penalty na itong Perpetual help. Trailing by 2 points, 27-29 with 5 minutes and 15 seconds remaining sa ating first half of action. Meron tayong timeout, magbabalik kami. They're whooping it up at the Rizal Memorial Coliseum. Kala ko, meron tayong ballroom dancing dito. Meron tayong disco no? Ito, mga babae, mga palalaki. Sila yung nagsasayaw, tuwan-tuwa sila dito. 29-27, lamang ang JRC ng 2 puntos. Maigting ang laban with 5 minutes and 15 seconds remaining dito sa ating first half of action.
2-point lead, Bar, by JRC. But I'm curious to see how long JRC can hold on. Alam mo, that's very hard, back and forth. Kaya yung off-season ng mga to, anong ginagawa? Takbo lang na takbo.
Tama yung sinabi mo, takbo ng takbo. Dahil pag nakakausap ko ito si Boy de Vera, sasabihin niya sa akin, alam mo ba kung ano tinatakbo nito mga players ko? Yung buong circle ng munisipyo, mga 5 beses tatakbuhin yan. Mahirap yun
Medyo mabigat yan. And yung sa mga nanonood dyan, me as a coach, I see it in my players. I've been a player once. You can see Chester Tolomia on your screens. Yung practice na araw-araw, 3 times a day, walang mga day off to. Normally, once a week lang yan na nakaka-day off. And they pour their guts out here. And that's what you get in college basketball. It's not for the money, partner. Talagang honor for the school
Tama ka doon, Iba yung may pinaglalaban ng eskwelahan, no? Not really, hindi yung professional
pride.
No? Ang masasabi mo, pagka nanalo ka, pagdating mo sa campus kinabukasan, lahat ng tao nakatingin sa, galing mo naman!
Yun. Hindi lang pati yung mga babae sa mga player natin.
Lahat. Pati babae, lalaki, tsaka iba pa.
Iba pa.
Oo.
Here's a slow-mo.
Kaya foul na to si Capus.
Mukhang bola.
Ito yung reaction.
Oo.
Yun. Ito si Coach Boy De Vera. Tinuturuan yung kanyang player. Ganito ang gagawin mo pagtabik.
Oo.
Ito. 31-28 ang ating talaan. Less than 5 minutes left din sa ating first half of action. Arnel Manyalak, 1 out of 2. And Capus, tatapikin lang ang bola. Milya, may foul na doon. Nasa backcourt pa lang, may pressure na kaagad itong panig ng UPHR. At napapangiwi itong si Ibrahim dahil ano nga naman ang gagawin ni Milya doon sa backcourt.
Oo. You know, what's nice also right now, ang ganda ng laro natin ngayon, Bar. Una, JRC got the lead. Tapos Perpetual, kala ko kakalas na Medyo napapagod na yung JRC and here comes JRC again. You know,
second win.
Oo. They got a big shot at it. Last year, they were not favored at all.
Yeah,
no? At talagang you had a lot of heavy teams there na mas may experience. And like they say, you cannot put a good man down. This team, talagang pusong-puso
Well, this is actually a grudge fight between these two teams na naglaban dun sa semifinals last year. Oo, tinalo ng JRC itong Perpetual to reach the finals. Another fast break opportunity for the Colors. Si Piña tuwan-tuwa dito at yung JRC Drum and Bugle Corps. Hindi na tumutugtog dapat tumutug kayo. Kalimutan
Hindi, naaliw sila sa tira Nagugulat sila sa mga bali-bali ni Milya. Grabe yung mga bali nitong mga player natin ngayon.
Ito naman, entry pass ni Manalo, Telegraph, at Eponturan. Ng 8 points na ito kalabakan ng JRC kanina. Lamang na Perpetual ng 5. As you said, Luigi, kala mo, medyo lalayo na yung Perpetual. Hindi pala
At yan ang maganda dito sa college basketball. 10-point leads, biglang matatanggal. Kagaya nito, 3-point na to.
Ito na naman kami yun. Legit 3-ball yun. Dahil kanina nakatapak siya sa guhit. That's the third 3-point shot. Ito si Jojo Manalo as we see 3 players from Perpetual Health na nakaupo dito sa ating scorer's table. Dito rin natin makita yung nangyayari. Ang lalaki na to. Manalo dishing off at magandang setup kay Manyalak for that layup. 5-point swing for Perpetual and the lead of JRC is down to just 3 points. 36-33, 3.5 minutes remaining this ating first half of action. Milya medyo hindi makatuloy dito. Penulyar papasa dito si Gregorio, tumama sa mukha at masakit-sakit yun, both sa mukha at sa igo niya.
I like the way you say that, man. Only the great Barry Pascua, Araw-araw ko hinihintay yung sports write-up natin, partner
Ito si Manalo. Tumama sa mukha
Oo, sa pool.
Ito tatlo papasok dito. 3-point field goals, 4 of 8 for Perpetual and JRC.
0 out of 1. So kitang-kita mo yung contrasting style. Siyempre, 4 out of 8 yung Perpetual dyan, partner, dahil zona yung ginagawa ng JRC. So, nakaka-tempt na pupukol sa 3. On the other hand, JRC 0 out of 1. Dahil yung mga to, halatang-halata, umaatake talaga sa basket.
At itong si Jojo Manalo makes the first free throw. Ang sinasabi natin kanina ng mga nag-o-obstruct doon sa view natin, sina Colombia, Malabana at Bonifacio, nagsipasok na ngayon yan. Lahat ng PPL players ng Perpetual nasa loob na. Actually, 5 yan
Ito na, sabi na ni Coach Bay, kailangan na natin ng konting experience dito.
At ito, nakita mo naman si Eponduran. Deflected na yung tira niya ni Colombia, but he stayed with the leather. Shot, giving JRC another 3-point lead, 38-35. Kaya kanina, when you were discussing ito, 4 yung player ng PBL. Talaga namang 4 last year, 4 Pero Bonifacio, 2 years ago yata.
2 years, naglaro na.
Sa Chowking
Well, I can always count on you, Bar, to know all those little things. Nako, ito na, talunan.
Ang Colombia, ibibigay kay Panyalak. Masyadong malakas yung pasang yun. Ito yung Sparks, experience move. Itong si Manalo, pinamama lamang sa paa ni Pinulyar yung bola.
Simple lang. Manalo, out of those 4 3-pointers na napasok ng Perpetual Health, 3 sa kanya.
3.
Off the screen, jump shot.
Ito Bonifacio, bibigay kay Tolomia. Tolomia, fakes left. Uy, sinagasaan, pero may foul dito. Hindi pa naka-establish ng position. Si Milya, second foul niya yan. Nasa free throw line. Itong si Tolomia, nasa penalty na itong dalawang teams na ito. 3-point lead for Jose Rizal College Heavy Bombers. 38-35, 2 minutes and 17 seconds left dito sa ating first half of action. Tolomia playing with 3 fouls. Matagal lamang po ito. Started for Perpetual pero medyo pinahinga.
Medyo nakikita ko dito sa batang to, medyo lumaki pa yung upper body niya, no? Nung first year, hindi pa masyadong asang-asa. Kaya dito mo ngayon, may mga bukol na eh.
Kaya nga, usually, itong mga players natin yan
nagsisikap.
Go for yan mga
weightlifting
eh.
Hindi kagaya dati siguro, no? Laro lang ng laro.
Laro lang ng laro eh.
Ngayon,
kailangan kaya mo mga 200 ba? Bench press na gano'n
bench
no?
press.
Ito, makita natin, mawawala yung bola. Pero last touch naman itong si Tolomia. So, JRC gets to keep ball possession. 18 seconds sa shot clock ng Heavy Bombers. Epon Duran. Ibigay kay Penulyar. Hindi yata yun yung kanyang distansya. No? Pero nakita mo yung hustle ng JRC. Kuha nila yung bola. Supal pa nga lang itong si Penulyar. Nakakuha siya ng foul kay Manyalak. Being restrained by Jojo Malalo. Tama ito, nagre-reklamo ba si Manyalak?
Sabi ni Manyalak, hawakan mo muna ako para makarason ako ng konti.
Yeah.
Kaya tinan mo to, yung masama doon, nababa niya yung kamay niya. No? Kanya-kanyang, like I said, yun ang maganda na sa coaching. Nakikita mo kay Boy, de vera, okay lang sa kanya yung paghahampas sa loob. No? On the other hand, kay Bay, sinasabi niya, wag mo naman sabayan sa baba, taas lang ng kamay. So, each coach has his own technique, no? Style nga. And that time, medyo no-no yun dahil sumasaksak, nag-hang time yung mga JRC. Huwag mo na ibaba dahil alam mo foul.
Pag tinignan mo nga, itong mga players ng JRC, mas creative sa kanilang tira no? Dahil maliliit sila. Kaya may creative ka, hindi pwedeng straight yung tira mo
mga binabalik, kumbaga.
Kaya nga, pero ito, bintis na naman sa labas. Fast break na naman, sobrang bilis naman nun. Itong Perpetual wise in the ways of JRC. Manyala for that short stop. Bumangga, bumagsak. At ito, Colors developing dito.
Medyo sumapak si Manyalak doon, ha? Nakita ko, tinamaan niya. I don't know, hindi nakita ng mga referee na pagbagsak niya.
Pagbagsak binigyan no?
Oo, binigyan
Wala pa naman Pasko, nagbibigay na ng regalo. Hindi tama. At ito, 3-pointer na itong si Pinulyar. Sasablay, Jojo Manalo. Touch passing para sa Perpetual and Malabanan gives Perpetual held the lead. 41-40, a minute remaining sa ating first half of action. Ito na naman yung sinasabi nating scoring in spurts. UPH are grabbing the upper hand. Jasper Tolomia breaking up the play with 50.5 seconds left ito sa ating first half of action. Lamang na po ang UPH 41-40. We have a ceasefire. Magbabalik kami. Delarea, si Lazaro the drive, mawawala yung bola. Epon Dulan for the 3-point attempt. Papasok nito. Sabi ni Epon Dulan, bakit si Manalo lang ba meron yan? Ako rin, meron! Lamang ulit ang JRC, 43-41, 30 seconds remaining. Meron pang pagkakataon ng JRC na makabawi after display ng Perpetual kung makukuha nila yung bola.
Kaya lang ito si Coach Pai, sigurado niyang using the time.
Pabaling tira dito pero nagmadali na si Malabanan for the reverse layup. 10 seconds remaining. Kailangan bilisan nila din. Tumingin pa sa orasan netong si Lazaro. Lazaro tatawid sa midcourt. Bibigay dito sa side. Etong si Gregorio. Matatawagan ng foul dyan. Offensive foul. Number 8 with a second remaining.
But good pass, check it out, para. Underneath, maganda lang na pagka-establish ng posisyon ni Manalak, no? Like I said, yun, tinuturo yun.
Well, eto, hindi na makaka-score. Etong si Milo Bonifacio. And at the end of the first 20 minutes of play, parang walang nangyari. Dahil tabla ulit tayo, 43 all. Sa ating pagbabalik, highlights ng first half, tapos ang second half, we'll be back. 43 all. Yan po ang ating talaan at the end of first 20 minutes of play. JRC and Perpetual Health tied at 43 all. These two teams won their opening games at they're fighting for solo leadership dito.
Oo. And like you said, 43 all. It'll be curious to see kung anong gagawin ng dalawang coaches, no? After this halftime, as you see here, slow motion.
Makita natin, agawan itong si Ibrahim, itong si Epondulan. As we take a look at this play, slam dunk itong si Gilbert Malabanan, perking di moral itong Perpetual Health Altas. Gaya na sinabi natin itong Perpetual, ang kanilang strength sa loob, itong JRC, sa takbuhan ng strength nito.
Oo. And, you know, that's one thing I'm sure Coach Pai Cristobal will say. He will try to tell his boys here, field goals, let's see this.
Oo, itong JRC 48 against 45 rebounds. Hindi naman nakakalayo yan, no?
Di rin. Even assist, it's just close. Blacks, JRC, the smaller team has 2 blocks. Perpetual Health, wala pa. But you know why also? The thing that JRC has been doing well, partner, is they've been running down. Once makakuha sila ng bola, outlet kaagad sila. So I'm sure Coach Bai telling his boys, we have to sprint back. On the other hand, sa JRC naman, that zone has been really working wonders for them. Mabibilis yung mga player ni Coach Boy De Vera. I'm sure he's saying, let's work on our defense at pag may opportunity tayo, takbuhin natin.
Tama yun, oo. Dahil ito si Jojo Manalo, sinisira niya yung zone sa pamamagitan ng kanyang outside shots. At siguro, sasabihin niya, medyo mag-spread out ng konti yung depensa. Habulin itong si Manalo dyan.
I'm sure Coach Bai telling his boys, pasensoso tayo. Let's look first for Manalo. If not, let's attack the gaps.
Well, ito. 43 all nga ang ating talaan at the end of the first half. Tabla ang ating score. It's back to square one. At ang mga leading scorers natin dito para sa kabilang koponan, ano? Makikita natin for JRC, Epondulan with 19 points, Milia with 8, and De La Rey with 6. Manalo, leading Perpetual with 13, Malabanan with 10, and Colombia with 7. Epondulan, 19, ha?
Oo, 19. And you know, those are off nice passes from Mila. Like I said, yung maganda kay Epondulan, partner, namamasa eh. Pag may libre, binibigyan niya. But when push comes to shove at kailangan nila ng putos, dun siya tumitira.
Okay, sa ating pagbabalik, simula na ng second half of action between UPHR and JRC. At the Rizal Memorial Coliseum sa pagsisimula na itong ating second half of action, and Perpetual makukuha yung tap, but De La Rey breaks up the play and the dribbling violation ang maitatawag laban kay De La Rey. Lost control of the leather after that interception. Kaya naman itong Altas ang makakuha ng unang crack at the basket at the start of the second half of action. Tablang score natin, 43 all. This is Barry Pascua, kasama natin si Luigi Trillo sa paghahatid sa inyo nitong laban sa pagitan ng Jose Rizal College Heavy Bombers and the Perpetual Health Altas, both opening day winners. Milo Bonifacio ibibigay dito kay Jojo Manalo against Randall De La Rey, veterans of the Philippine Basketball League. Manyalak for that turnaround hook. Sasablay siya dyan and ang bola mapupunta sa panig ng Jose Rizal Heavy Bombers. Last touch etong si Cosme.
If we notice in the first half, partner, matagal bago yung unang 2 puntos pumunta. So let's see if one of the teams can get their offense going.
Well, 3 minuto bago pumuntos ko sa first half of action natin eh. Pero eto, aatake ka agad. Ito si Ariel Campos. He misses that one. Cosme for the rebound, bibigay kay Manalo. Manalo, sasabihin kay Bonifacio, ikaw na magbaba nitong bola dahil ikaw naman ang point guard talaga. Backing violation, straddling the midcourt line. Ito si Bonifacio committed that mistake of stopping,
Oo, tumingin din siya kay Coach Bai. As there, you can see Coach Bai with his coaching staff. Medyo agresibo tong dalawang to. I'm sure, naglipovitan na nung halftime ang mga to.
Well, para makasabay dito sa UPHR. Milia against Ibrahim. Milia, set up. Itong si Gregorio for that miss. Fast break. Ang Perpetual naman ang tatakbo. Sasaplay naman si Manyalak. Wrong footing doon sa kanyang layup. Mahirap lang.
Oo, mahirap talaga.
Eto naman, supply, sobrang lakas ang layup dito, pero Epondulan snatches the leather away and fires for the first 2 points of the second half, giving JRC the lead. 45-43, medyo mabilis ang scoring, simula dito.
At medyo sumasakit yung left ankle ni Epondulan, but you know, nerves of steel, to get that ball pivot, jump shot. And Bar, here we get another turnover. Both teams, 2 turnovers each. One right at the start of the jump ball, and right now, one earlier and another one now. So 2 turnovers for both teams.
Well, makita natin si Bonifacio, yung dalawang turnovers siya ang pinagmula nun kanina. Backing violation. Ito ngayon, sinakasaan niya yung kanyang kalaban. And Bonifacio makes itong si Coach Mike Cristobal wonder na napalitan ko ba ito? Hindi. Nakakadalawang errors na
Go, baka magka-white hair na to si Coach Bay after a while. That's what they say with the coaches, no? But you have to credit...
Wala naman
Wala. Pinatilya pa tayo. Pwede pa, lulusot pa.
Ay, eto, libreng-libre naman yung tira yan. Coming from Pinulyar, it's a 4-point lead by Jose Rizal College. At si Malabanan ay tinapik na ni Coach Bay Cristobal. Maya-maya papasok. Maaagawan pa yata. Hindi. Dapat merong 10-second violation yun, ha?
Oo.
Napakalayong tira ni Manyalak. Yes, that's a PBL. Tumitira siya ng 3-pointer. Pero ngayon, sumablay siya. Milya, mananakawan ni Malabanan. Actually, Manyalak. At eto, si Milya counter steal ni Milya. And Cosme will be tagged with that foul. Ito may hassle itong dalawang teams na ito.
Oo.
You
know, as a coach, no, like what I noticed, I'm sure nung halftime, dalawang coaches na nagtanglashing to their players. So you can expect both teams to tighten up on their defense. Kaya madami tayong turnover ngayon, partner. The team who can get settled and who can be patient will get, I think, mauunahan yung kabilang team. And that's important right now, no?
Uy, mukhang assist yun, ano? In mid-air, nag-isip siya. Titira ko ba, ipapasa ko? And last spot niya itong si Pinulyar. Libreng-libre.
Ito si Ted, daling Davao yan. At nag-off guard yan nung high school days niya. Ngayon, medyo nagpo-point na.
Well, sa height niya, kailangan mag-point no? Dahil if he's dreaming of going big time, kailangan doon pa sa point. Pag medyo maliit-liit ka. Si Malabanan, mawawala ang bola, goes 1-on-1. Hindi napapasa dito kay Talomia. Ay, Manalo, experience move daw yun. Actually, gulang ang tawag doon.
Ito si Manalo, he's not only good on offense, no? But on defense, as Coach Bay, medyo...
dejected look. Ito, Coach Bay, ano ba to? 6 na puntos na kalabangan ng JRC. Tatawag na ako ng timeout. 49-43. JRC ahead by 6 points. Magbabalik kami.
Right now dahil hindi mapigilan ng UPHR ang kanilang fast break plays. Well, Coach Fortivera told his boys to run in every given opportunity dahil nahihirapang humabol ang UPHR. And on defense naman, he said pressure the ball carriers, especially Malabanan, Manalo, and Ibrahim para mahirapan silang makapag-execute ng kanilang opensa. Guys, back to you.
Salamat sa iyo, Mike Robinson, and our courtside update was brought to you by Absolute Pure Drinking Water. Natawagan ng 3 seconds. Yan ang tinatawag na overpassing.
Oo, at ako mag-absolute na rin ako, partner, sa pressure defense na binibigay sa atin dito ng JRC. As Manalo.
Natutuyuan ka ng labi, ha?
Oo, siguro nakainom to ng absolute, kaya si Manalo nakapukul ng isa.
3 points na naman.
Oo, 3 points na naman.
So Manalo is hot. That's his 4th triple of the ball game. Ito si Epondulan. I-hand off dito kay Pinulyar. Kapos yung kanyang tira. And Malabanan grabs the rebound. Ipapasa dito kay Talomia. Being bothered by De La Rey. Talomia spots Manalo from the 3-point area. Hindi maitira. Trying to be fancy. At ito matatapik naman. Palabas ni Rendell De La Rey at the ball. At turnovers at the second quarter.
Yun ang medyo sinasabi ko. 6-3. No, perpetual help. A lot of turnovers because JRC's pressure defense.
Well, dyan sa stock na yan, hindi maganda pag ikaw lamang.
Oo, and there's may kasabihan, Bar, you win games with your offense, but you win championships with your defense.
Tama.
And anybody knows that. Kahit ako, kay Coach Tim, pag nasa dugout kami, yun talagang stress niya. They probably think that it's all triangle offense, but no. Number one he looks at right now is defense. And I'm sure the other good coaches there, sila Jolipa, Alfrancis, Perry, they put a premium on defense.
Ano mo sinasabi natin kahit nasa gyera no? Hindi lang yung ofensiba ng ofensiba, yung putok lang ng putok pag putukan lang kayo ng putukan, at the end of the war, ravage din yung kampo mo. Balo wala yun. At nidepensahan mo rin yung kampo mo So, makikita natin ang score natin, 49-46, 15 minutes and 37